Brembo introduces CCMR, carboceramic material for racing use, that comes from the experience accumulated by Brembo with carboceramic for road cars and the carbon fiber application for racing use. CCMR is the new product that Brembo is presenting for racing purpose. CCM is the acronym of carboceramic material that is obtained by infiltration of carbon fiber with silica carbide. Brembo has a long experience in the CCM materials, in the application of these materials on high-performance road cars. The new Brembo CCMR is the product that comes from the experience accumulated by Brembo in carbon fibers application for F1 and in the experience that Brembo had with the CCM materials for road cars application. The new Brembo CCMR is specifically designed for endurance application and to be applied wherever is needed to disperse a very high amount of energy with a long-lasting and durable reliability. Selected materials and optimized technologies has been used to produce the new Brembo CCMR discs, reflecting the state-of-the-art of the technology in the carbon fiber discs production and leading to a technical superior result. The main advantages of the new Brembo CCMR are high thermal conductivity and maximum braking power, typical of an F1 application, and durability and versatility that are the main factors of the CCM road car applications. Computational fluidodynamic modeling technique deriving from the experience in F1 has been used to define a venting system that assures the maximum efficiency in any dynamic condition. Taking as a reference the CCM for road cars application and the best competitors' material available on the market, the new Brembo CCMR indicates better performances and technical superiority. The mechanical tensile strength is 2.5 times better than the CCM road material and 25% better the best competition. The thermal conductivity is 4 times better than the CCM road material and over 200% better than the best competition. Given its exceptional characteristics over all carboceramic applications, Brembo CCMR claims a preeminent position in motorsport applications.